Welcome back to the Trail Tech Shop. I know what you're thinking. Did I forget that it's winter and not summer for Dirt Trax? I know it's a little strange seeing an ATV in the Trail Tech Shop this time of year, but stick with me and I'll show you how all of this is going to make a whole lot more sense. In the final episode of Dirt Trax this past season, I installed a KIMPEX Click-N-GO plow kit with all the trimmings. And during that install, I added the extra long push frame extension to push that plow way out front and make room for a set of tracks, which my friends at Can-Am were more than happy to send over to us to test. I figured what better way to put your ATV to work and still allow you to get out and play on it. Plus, I love this kind of stuff. Track kits on ATVs make them look like little tanks, and the truth is, they kind of are. There's few things in the winter months that are going to stop a track kitted ATV, but this track kit in particular is a whole different animal. This track kit is a Can-Am Apache Backcountry track kit, the gnarliest, most aggressive looking kit on the market that offers industry-leading flotation and incredible trench-digging, deep snow traversing, off-trail powder fun. Sporting a 2-inch lug, yeah, that's 2 inches. It's in mountain sled territory. This kit will plow through powder nearly as well as a mountain sled too. All track kits are not created equal, and one of the hallmarks of a Can-Am track kit are the engineering hours that have gone into them. And I'm not just talking about the track frame or mounting kit, although those are very important. Can-Am engineers look at everything right down to the power steering and offer a special track kit plug-and-play module that corrects speedometer readouts and also optimizes the amount of power output the DPS offers. This makes steering easier and also safer for the ATV and track kit. Can-Am requires this module for the install of their systems as it's essential to getting the best performance possible from the tracks. Seeing as this isn't a 4-season track kit, I thought before I go out and run through the powder, I'll do some work with it. So I'm going to hook up the KIMPEX Click-N-GO plow system and see how it handles a task like pushing snow. Traction is no issue here as the backcountry tracks push our KIMPEX plow with ease. In fact, it pushes it so well that we have to stop ourselves from plowing clean over the banks because these tracks will keep on going. When you get the job done and you're looking to play, it's time to drop the Click-N-GO plow and take this Apache kit to somewhere that it's a little more at home. With an added 7 inches of ground clearance, this is a monstrous ATV. I mean, there are a few things that this won't go through, over, or around. And while we don't yet have feet of powder, we do have exceptionally technical powder fields that are nothing but reeds and thick swamp grass below the crispy snow. An area that we've been able to get a track-kitted ATV stuck in the past, but this time I think these aggressive 2-inch paddles will have no issue carrying us through. Another huge improvement over the Apache 360 LT track kit is the 23% larger contact patch of the backcountry. This means that you have the footprint of nearly an extra track over the 360. With the power steering module installed in our Outlander XTP, I have to say this is the easiest track-kitted ATV to ride that I've ever experienced, and it's truly a feature that I haven't seen elsewhere. This would be like mountain riding in deep powder with a 165 compared to a 154. The extra flotation is huge and allows the backcountry tracks to get on top of the snow, spreading out the load and carrying me much easier across the terrain. We've tested a lot of track kits over the years, and I'd have to say that by far, the Can-Am Apache Backcountry is the best in the deep snow. It's the most fun, designed to take you further and deeper than the rest, and I'd have to say it does all of that and a whole lot more. If you enjoyed the video that you just saw, like it and then subscribe to our page for more great content from SnowTrax TV.